I think you're supposed to take this off before you check the oil first.
Are you?
I mean, I'm no mechanic, but...
Neither am I.
Should we try it?
I'm pretty sure you're supposed to take it off while it's warm too.
Yeah, while it's still hot.
I'll just stand over here while it goes.
Dude, I would never. What's up, guys, and welcome to this video. Today we're actually going to be doing we're getting new brake pads put on the rear. So I'm going over to my buddy's shop now we can do that. I knew prior to buying this car that it needed brakes in the rear, and I was like, oh, whatever, it'll be fine. And I never actually looked at them, and then I went to try to get the car inspected because I have 10 days. Hold on. Ooh, she did not like that. But I have 10 days to get this thing inspected, and I have yet to do so because I haven't had any time. So I tried to get it inspected. They said it needed brake pads, so I had my buddy Luis order some brake pads since he gets the shop discount and all that. So he got them today. We're going over there. We're gonna put them on now. So we're gonna do a couple time lapses. I don't know how in depth we're gonna go on how to do it. I just want to make a short little video for you guys. I haven't been able to film much because it's been raining. It actually rained basically all today, but now it's cleared up and it's just very humid. But the next couple of days are looking nice. So I have a 4-day weekend now from work, with Labor Day being Monday. So hopefully I'll be able to get some more clips this weekend, and I gotta find something to shoot because right now I have nothing lined up. But if this is your guys' first time tuning into the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it. Looks like now, guys, we're about to get pulled over. I just passed the cop. I wasn't really speeding anything, I don't think. If I was, the kilometer here is a little off. But he pulled out, so he's coming up behind us. Here he comes. And he's gonna pull us over, so this happens all the time. This will be the 3rd time so far. Yep, there's the lights.
Hey man, you have your license on you?
Yep, getting that now.
Alright. You say you know?
Yeah.
What
Tint, exhaust.
Yeah. When was the last time you got stopped for all of it?
Saturday. I just want to give you a heads up. I have an inspection
Lined up?
Yeah, it's lined up for tomorrow at 3.
Okay.
I'm going to do brake pads and stuff right now.
Okay.
Here, let me throw this out.
I appreciate that.
Yep. And then also, is it okay if whenever I hit those speed bumps, my trunk light popped up, so I think my trunk opened?
Yeah, if you want to hop out, you can. Alright. You have the insurance on you?
Yeah, it's on my phone here.
Where are you coming from today? Alright, what are you doing down there?
I live in town.
Oh, okay. Heading anywhere in particular right now? Alright, same questions asked everybody. Any guns in the car?
No, sir.
Knives?
Nope.
Drugs of any kind?
No, sir.
Okay. Drinking anything today?
No, sir. Just water.
I got you.
Oh, yeah, here, sorry.
You're good, you're good. Alright. Alright, man, I'm going to check your license. As long as everything's good on it, I'm just going to give you a warning, get you on your way, okay?
Okay, cool.
Alright, just sit tight for me, alright?
Alright, thank you. All you gotta do, folks, be polite. They let me go with this every single time.
Advise, you keep driving, you're going to keep getting stopped.
Oh, I know.
So, it's one of those things when you buy it, you just got to be aware of loud muffler, dark tint, it's just going to keep getting you stopped, okay?
Oh, yeah, I know. But I'll deal with it,
Just letting you know, yeah, just be aware of it, okay? Don't think we're picking on you or anything, okay?
Oh, you're fine, you're fine.
Alright, you got any questions for me?
No.
Alright, you're good to go. Have a good night, man.
Thank you, you too. Be safe. We're back on the road. That took, what, 5 minutes? That is how you do a traffic stop, people. Be polite. Don't be an asshole. And they'll usually let you off. I always get lucky, thankfully, but right, where were we? We're heading back to Luis's now, so we will see you guys there shortly. I need to come forward so I can clear. Getting my mud flat, brother.
Wait. Jesus. You're not even that low.
Well, I want to go lower.
I bet you do.
Because once I feel like this thing needs to go lower. Because this much wheel gap here is not okay. In my eyes, that is not okay. That's too much. I don't like wheel gap.
I think barely has any suspension travel.
Yeah, barely any. Yeah, because it's none. Alright, this will be the first time looking underneath the undercarriage of this car. Luis, you got light? Never mind. I'm gonna use my phone. Well, it doesn't look too bad. I haven't smacked the headers yet.
Means you're not low enough.
Means I'm not low enough. Well, we can go lower here soon.
That does look like it hits a little bit here.
Oh yeah, it might hit a little bit right there.
On the flange.
Yeah, on the flange itself. But other than that, doesn't look too bad. But guys, the whole reason we came here is because we have to do the brake pads on the rear. Because apparently this one's pretty bad. I had my car in for inspection like I was saying the other day, and apparently it's just like almost metal to metal. I doubt you guys can see in there, but I'll be able to show you once we have it all taken apart. Dude, this freaking muffler is like cannon.
It ain't bad.
What?
If it ain't grinding, it ain't bad.
Well, he said it was bad, and I haven't heard any grinding lately, so
Honestly, why did they delete the AC?
I don't know, because the AC condenser's still in there.
No, the condenser's not in there.
Oh, it's not? I thought it was still
The
in
AC
there.
compressor's
Yeah, okay, that's what it was.
still in. The condenser is not.
Wow, look at that paint drip. Ooh. I thought it was water for a second. I'm like looking at like, oh, paint drip.
No water.
That's spray can job though. Yeah, let's just say guys, this exhaust has a ton of repairs in it. Like look at those welds on the flange there. And then come back here, we have another one.
And then they welded in that tiny flex pipe.
Yeah. Let's see, there's another one.
Then I'm assuming the flange.
Two more.
The flange routed out here and they welded that
There.
muffler on.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Some bad rust. Well, it looks better from the outside than it does underneath, I'll tell you that much. Luis just said she's a 10-foot looker, and I don't think he's wrong. I've been telling people that here lately. The more I'm getting used to this car and getting over it. But all in all, at the end of the day, I'm not mad.
You should be.
There's plenty of, it needs plenty of TLC
Yeah, and
But
the love is coming from me.
the love's coming from, well, more me.
Yeah, from your wallet and from me.
Well, I'm helping. All right, folks, enjoy this time lapse. Thankfully, brake jobs are pretty easy, guys. Here, I just got all that off. Caliper down there. Brake pads are out. How'd they look? Dude, I don't know. We still had some life left in this one.
Maybe that's on.
Huh? That was that side? Oh yeah, that's beat, dude. Yeah, that one was bad, but this side,
You still have plenty of life.
yeah, we have plenty of life left.
I think it might have been because of a bad slider.
Bad slider. Well, let me look at the other one. The other one looks even better. Dude, this one looks brand new.
They didn't like they were pretty much seized in place.
So they were seized in place?
Pretty much.
These ones were, so they weren't even doing anything.
Yeah.
Well, we'll put the new ones on there just so they don't have to do anything either. Much better. Man, I need to catch up.
How are your pins?
Say what? How are the pins?
Yeah.
On the other side? Greasy. Nah, this one moves. She moves nice. Sounds good. All right, folks, this side is done. Got the new pads in there. So heck yeah, it's dark out. Now it's dark out, which is unfortunate. That happened quick. This whole process really only took us like, what, 30 minutes? Yeah, if that. All right, guys, the wheel is back on. We're good to go. As far as I know, Luis is finishing up his side. So big shout out to Luis. Big shout out to Luis for helping me do this brake job and ordering the parts and getting everything here, so that way I can go get it inspected tomorrow now. So yeah, this side's done. You said we don't have to bleed the brakes. Why?
Because the hydraulic system was never opened.
Okay. I mean, well, if the hydraulic system was never open, you just said it, so don't trash me in the comments, guys. But yeah, next week, I think, if I get any time at all, I'm gonna come back down here, and I have the coilover wrenches in the glove box, and we're just gonna get rid of this wheel gap, but we're gonna save that for another video here coming soon, so stay tuned, guys. Oh yeah, he's got tons.
3 sets
Jesus.
anyway.
Yeah, you got tons. So if you guys need any coilover wrenches, hit up Luis, he's your guy.
They're mine.
I'll leave his number here in this video. You guys can get a hold of him. Luis has not ridden in this thing yet, so we're about to go do that. Smack some VTEC for him. Oh, that sounds so gay to say. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like it, share it, subscribe to the channel. Like I said before, I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys are watching this, do me a big favor, click that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video.